Storytelling faceless channels are raking in huge bucks on YouTube. And guess what? You can jump on this gravy train too, but there's a catch. You need to create extraordinary content to hit the jackpot. Let's be honest, making top-notch content isn't a walk in the park. But don't sweat it, I'm here to help. Today, I'll show you the easiest way to craft extraordinary content using AI. So, buckle up, and let's dive in. First things first, pick a topic with low competition but high demand. For example, I'm going with business motivation, focusing on how to achieve quick success in a small business. Now, we need a script. I'll use ChatGPT for this. Just head over to ChatGPT and type something like, "Can you write a short article on how to gain quick success in an eco-friendly product manufacturing business?" Here, eco-friendly product manufacturing is my niche. Feel free to choose any other business idea. Voila, ChatGPT delivers a fantastic article. Now, we can make a video with this script. But remember, we need to stand out. So, I'll make this video in a whiteboard animation style. To start, we need a storyboard. Enter another prompt in ChatGPT, create a storyboard and scene description for a whiteboard animation video based on this article. And just like that, ChatGPT provides a perfect storyboard, complete with scene descriptions, text suggestions, and a voiceover script. Awesome, right? Next, let's move on to the whiteboard animation creation. There are plenty of tools for this, but today I'll use Vyand. Open a new tab and search for Vyand. Click the first link, create an account, and log in. Your interface will look like this. On the right side, you'll find a treasure trove of templates. You can pick one and customize it to your heart's content, but today, I'll start from scratch. Click on the Create button. You'll see 5 options. Start with a blank, create with AI, use a template, create a character, and import a PowerPoint file. Let's create a project with AI. Enter your video topic, for example, how to get quick success in product manufacturing business. Choose a layout, conversation, talking head, or narration. I'm going with the whiteboard explanation layout. In the additional settings, select the vibe. I'm choosing informative. Next, pick the format. I'm going with the tips format. Finally, choose your language and accent. Once everything's set, hit the Create button. Vyand will take a bit to generate the video. And there it is. Our video is ready. Let's check it out. Vyand generates a spectacular video. But we can make it even more engaging. Click on the Edit Video button. You'll see 2 options, Quick Edit and Vyand Studio. I recommend the Studio version. This is the Vyand editor. On the right side, you'll find various assets to enhance your scenes. Let's spice up the first scene. I'll add some new assets. Copy the text from the first scene, then click the Library option to find your assets. Scroll down to the scene templates. I'll add a scene from the Training category. After inserting the scene, customize the text. Next, let's tweak the second scene. There's a character here, and I want to add a new element. Go to the Props section and browse the various props available. Select your desired prop. Adjust its size and position, and voila! Now, let's animate this element. Select it and head to the top right corner to find the Enter Effects icon. Click on it. Now, you'll find a smorgasbord of enter effects. Preview a few of them and pick the one that tickles your fancy. I'm going with the hand slide effect because, hey, who doesn't love a dramatic entrance? Once you've selected the effect, check out the preview. Nailed it. Now, let's add some exit effects. Click on the Exit Effects icon. Just like with the Enter Effects, you'll find a plethora of options. Pick the one that best suits your scene. Using this method, you can customize all your slides and create an engaging presentation or video that'll have people saying, "Wow, how did you do that?" Okay, let's see how we can make a video with our own story. Head back to the homepage and create a new blank project. Boom! Our project is created. Now, let's add elements according to ChatGPT's suggestions. Our first scene should feature a globe surrounded by green plants and eco-friendly icons. Head over to the library and search for these scene elements. No luck? No problem. We'll use AI to create the object. Navigate to the Image Generation tool and select the Text to Image option. Paste the scene description as the prompt, select the art style, and hit generate. And voila! Viand generates the images for us. Pick one, adjust its size and position, and we're good to go. Next, let's sprinkle in some more elements to make it visually captivating. I'll add the same scene templates I used in the AI-generated video. After adding the scene objects, tweak the size and position of each one. Now, change the text as per ChatGPT's suggestions. Time for a preview of the first scene. We need to customize the timing of each object. Open the drop-down menu to find all the object timelines. First up, I want to add an enter effect to the globe. Select the globe, click on the enter effects icon, choose an effect from the library, and adjust the timeline so the globe appears just after the enter effects end. You can also tweak the overall size of the scene. I'll fine-tune it when I add the narration text. Adjust the timing for other elements too, like having characters appear after the globe. After customizing everything, check out a preview. If it's looking good, move on to the next step. Our first scene is done. Now, let's create the second scene. Click on the plus button and select a blank scene. According to ChatGPT, our next visual should show a researcher analyzing charts and graphs on a computer. Search for the objects in the library. Can't find what you need? Generate another image with Viand's AI image generator. Add the image to the timeline, then apply enter and exit effects. Next, add text. Go to the Text tab, select a text template, and replace the text with ChatGPT's suggestions. Customize the text and add some animation if you like. Adjust the elements' timelines, and our second scene is ready. For the third scene, follow the same method. Viand's library has a ton of elements. If you can't find an object, use AI to generate it. After adding all the objects, preview and tweak as needed. In my case, I'll add pop effects to all objects and introduce a character. In the character section, pick from a wide array of characters. Add the character, enter the text, and adjust everything. Create all your scenes step by step this way. For this tutorial, I'm creating just 3 scenes. Next, add the voiceover. Record or generate the voiceovers for each scene, then upload them to Viand. Drag and drop the voiceovers into the appropriate scenes. Want to create lip sync with a character? Select the character, click on the dialogue icon, and choose the audio clip. And that's how you create unlimited scenes and make an extraordinary video. Once everything's set, hit the download button to save the video to your device. And there you have it. Our video is ready. Alright, friends, that's a wrap for our video. I'd love to hear about your experience creating a whiteboard animation with Viand. Share your thoughts and results in the comments section below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating.